Want to know how people are doing the Scream AI picture trend? This viral challenge mixes AI art with the classic Scream horror vibe to create surreal and spooky photos. With the right AI prompt for Scream photo, you can turn your selfie into a cinematic horror poster. First, go to Google and search for Pixpretty background remover, or tap the short link in the comments. Use it to remove the background. This helps AI focus on your subject and create better results. Next, open Gemini. Select the photo you just edited, then paste in the Ghostface AI trend prompt or Gemini AI photo prompt Halloween. You can also try Google Gemini Ghostface prompt to experiment with different spooky styles. In just a few seconds, your Ghostface AI trend or Scream trend picture is ready. Join the trend, try different prompts, and see how creative your AI horror photos can get.